this week has been a testament to the internet's influence over the market. Gary Vaynerchuk, the CEO of VaynerMedia, joins us now. Gary, you're an early investor in what some may have seen as fads, the cryptocurrency trading platform Coinbase, ride-sharing giant Uber. So what's your take on what's going on in the staying power of what is going on?
It's capitalism. It's business. You know, people love free markets and limited regulation until it affects them. And so I think the internet is going to pick on you. It's just the way it is. First, it was bookstores in the late 90s. People that had medallions locked up in New York City thought they were fine. They got addressed. You know, the internet is the infrastructure of society, and humans that are on top of it and platforms that get people together to communicate. This is just the reality of the situation. And so the staying power, this is just the beginning. I mean, everyone's talking about regulating Robinhood or regulating this. Unless we're looking at going the track of China or Russia and actually regulating our entire internet, you can't stop humans communicating to each other.
So this is really just an extension of how technology has empowered people in other ways. They may have empowered people to, transport in different ways, to communicate in different ways, and here to trade in different ways. Is that your take?
100%. Like, you know, everyone's baffled all the time. They're baffled that a president can go direct to consumer and not do briefings. They're baffled that, you know, that taxis have been disrupted. Like, everyone's always baffled. When is everybody who's watching this show going to understand that this thing called the internet came along and changed society? This is printing press 100x. We are in the early stages and people are struggling with calibrating the massive impact of this.
Hey, Gary, quick question. I mean, so,
yeah.
You know, you mentioned, you know, obviously Amazon disrupted bricks and mortar retail, and we can, you know, there's 100 examples over the last 25 years. What exactly would you say that Robinhood has disrupted other than the pricing of trading services? Because to me, I think what it's done is made a very easy on-ramp. It's been a product created by the very people that created the most addictive products that we have on our iPhones, right? Facebook, Google, Electronic Arts, that sort of thing. So what are they disrupting? What are they making better for the people, I guess, is the question I would have for the Silicon Valley backers.
Lack of friction for, you know, very easy to understand how to get on. They like the price. I mean, this has been done over and over. It's what Walmart did to retail or Amazon. Like, it's just the cost was right and the friction was low and the product was simple. They disrupted the right brand, right time. You've got an entire generation of under 30-year-olds that are completely passionate around entrepreneurship and business. You know, I'm 45. I was a terrible student. I went to Mount Ida College, 301, the spot. I mean, I didn't, entrepreneurship wasn't a thing. Now every kid 15 to 25 wants to be an entrepreneur, an investor, right? People are like, they have pride in their ability. It's opening up people into the game and they want to do their thing. And, it's just a timing product issue.
Gary, thank you for your time. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Gary Vaynerchuk, VaynerMedia.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.